So hello everybody, this is Harsh. Today I will show you how to make a basic floor plan. So first I have taken a cube. Now I will take transform tool and take it in Z axis and make it as thin as possible. Now we will increase its length a bit. So now you can see I will make a duplicate object of it. So I have taken two more like that. And after that I will turn the third one into 90 degree. And I will take it a little to the right and then one straight forward. So this is part 1. So we will make a living room and one room. So I have taken one more cube. Now for this will be our TV. So I will make it thin but not thin as the wall. So after that I will turn it into 90 degrees and I will place it to the wall. Now I will see it from x-axis. And now we will make its length a little bit smaller so it comes to triangle. So now I will shade it smooth, by which we can see the TV clearly. So after that we will turn this 90 degrees and we'll place it exactly through this. So I'll make its length a bit longer. Now we will add a cube. And then we will scale it up and then so we will choose the wall and use Boolean tool or modifier and choose the object as cube and then apply it. Now this will be our surface. Now I will take it down and I'll align it to the wall. So now I would increase its length in so the outer part we would choose as gallery, and then I will add a few. And now we will make a sofa. So I've made it. Now you can see this is the condition. So we will make it a little smaller and we will align it through the wall. And now you can see it is almost complete. The first room. So now we will go to first we will make a duplicate of this base. Then we will turn it into 90. And then we'll align it. And we will make it a little bit smaller. Now I will make the duplicate of it, and I'll make it a little bit smaller, and then I'll turn it into 90 degree, and then place it here. So now I will align it and make a duplicate object. So now I will place it near, and then I'll properly arrange it. And then I'll drag it a little bit down. So the gallery is ready. Now let's extend it. So now I will make a duplicate object. And place it here. I'll place it here, and then I'll go to Z axis and turn it into 90 degrees. And now we will make the next room. So for that I would go to add mesh and then choose a cube, and then I will scale it and drag it there. So we have selected it, and we will go to add modifier and use boolean and select the object as cube 10, and oh sorry, I forgot to apply it. So I will press command plus Z, and I'll just apply it. So now you can see the door is ready. So now the same cube, we will make it as a door. So now you can see it looks like this. So I will make it a little bit small. And so this wall is ready. So after that we will add a duplicate of the same wall, and I'll align it, but after that I will turn it into 90 degrees. Oh, I think we should take this one, and it is already turned in 90, and it has some space for showing the window. And now it is like this. So now we will go to add and then choose cylinder, and then drag it out and choose modifier as wireframe. Now you can see it looks like this, but now we will increase its thickness. So you can see it is now thick. Now we will make it little bit thin. So I will bring it a little front so that it will be visible. And then I will add a cube and make it a little bit thin for the bed and a little bit longer. So we will keep this as a bed and make it a little bit thin and align it. So it is aligned. Now the structure, we will make it large, or the base we will make it large. And now you can see our 2 rooms are ready. So thank you, and before leaving, please subscribe. Bye.